intense pain, but that doesn't keep my life in danger. The treatment thereof cannot be considered as an Atyek Chikitsa. Atyek Chikitsa, by definition, has to be a condition when there is a life threat. It's a condition of crisis, needs urgent attention. It's a disastrous condition. It's a tragedy in happening. Because akriyayam dhruva mrityu. Kriyayam sanshayo bhavet. When you are treating, there is a possibility that patient may survive. But if you are kept the patient untreated, he is bound to die. That complex situation where there is unpredictability, one has to use all his knowledge, act and react decisively. Remember, it is not only to act, you have to react, because that action, what patient reacts, you have to react appropriately and immediately, and that has to be very decisive. That condition is an Atyek Chikitsa. Atyek Chikitsa is not a routine Chikitsa. Atyek Chikitsa is something where you need to treat the patient when he is dying. You have to take him off his deathbed. And what are those signs and symptoms given of this Atyaya? Cold and clammy skin, giddiness, fainting, nausea, vomiting, pallor, decreased blood pressure, blood vision, difficult breathing, unconsciousness. Sir has made my job very easy. He has explained all these conditions excellently well, with his reasoning also, the Karya Karan Bhava. But I am going to talk on one particular point, that is the slow pulse rate at the beginning and becoming progressively more feeble and rapid. As we go on, you will find this symptom or sign continuously prevailing in all those emergency conditions where death is something. These are the signs and symptoms which indicate threat to life. In other words, indicate when the patient is going to die. And entire chapter, not an adhyay, entire sthana has been dedicated by Charaka for this, Indriya Sthana. And that has been elaborately expressed. The variability in the conditions at the residence of the patient, Pratyaksha, Anuman and Aptopdesh, for determination of the balance of life of the patient, how long the patient is going to live, and whether our intervention can increase his life. There are various classes of symptoms have been given. I am not going to deal with everything. My lecture is precisely been carved around the pulse. नाड़ी के आसपास घूमेंगे हम बात करेंगे वर्ण, स्वर, गंध, रस, स्पर्श, चक्षु, श्रोत्र, घ्राण, रसना, स्पर्शनम, सत्व, भक्ति, तंद्रा, शौच. There are multiple symptoms. Sheela, Acharya. There are so many things which get altered during the pre-death conditions. And those pre-death conditions needed to be handled very cautiously. I am just enlisting to you to understand it in a more better way. But we are going to deal more about pulse. Since long, when I am talking about the pulse, रीडिंग अबाउट द पल्स, नाड़ी के बारे में जब भी बात करते हैं, पहले से सुनने में यही आया था कि चरक सुश्रुत वाग्भट में नाड़ी का कहीं स्थान ही नहीं है. पर जब हमने नाड़ी को शांति से, चरक को शांति से पढ़ने का प्रयास किया, एंड वी फाउंड चरक विमान सांसेस सततम स्पंदमानानाम शरीर देशानाम अस्पंदनम. is a sign of death. Lakshanam sarvam evam etat. All those signs which are to be understood by your tactile sensations. If they are absent, they are also a diagnostic feature. Asansparsho, atisansparsho, hina sansparsha, evam cha spurshanam sangranoktam. What happens when you are examining the pulse? You are taking how it is, pulsation is being felt. One more thing which is being said, tasya cheta mande paribhushamane na spandayetam parasu iti. Parasu is death. When your carotid pulsation are not palpable, it is a sure sign of death. And this is none other by only by Charaka. So it is not that Charaka has not given Nadi. Nadi has, the word has been used at multiple times in Charak Sharif. He says he has categorically differentiated Nadi and Dhamni. And then he says if they are without Dhamnapan, then Viparyayena yo vidyaktam vidyak vigatam ayushaha. When the pulsations is ceased, pulsations are lost, what you get? You get an understanding of losing the life. And that is why in the latter sages, in the latter text we can find Bodhahinam yathan shastram bhojanam lavanam vina pati hinam yatha nari tatha nadi vina bhishak. Yatha vina gata tantri sarvan ragan prabhashate tatha hastagatam nadi sarvan rogan prakashate. And when we are talking about sarvan rogan, it includes mrityu also. Nahi vatam sira kaschinna pittam kevalam tatha shleshmanam bhavahananti eta. All those dadi are sarvavahaha. Where these pulsations are to be examined? Karasyadhe angushta mule. Padayo nadika sthanam gulfasya adho angulitrayam. Commonly known, radial artery, dorsal artery, carotid, nasa mule. And you see, which are those commonest spots of checking the pulse. Only thing, you have to be very careful when you are examining the carotid artery. It has to be palpated gently when the patient is either sitting or lying down, because stimulating it more can lead to severe bradycardia and at times cardiac arrest, fainting and ischemia. So you have to be very, very careful while examining the carotid artery. And that is why what we do in our bedside examination is the pulse at radial area. The radial pulse as a radial artery is examined as nadi. When not to examine, snadya snatasya, bhuktasya, shudha pidit, trishna pidit, tapashalinaha. Tapasya करने वालों की नाड़ी नहीं देखनी चाहिए. व्यायाम और श्रांता. You are coming after the gym and want me to test your nadi. Not good time. Stri sevina after intercourse. Dehasya samyak nadi na buddhyate. How one should position himself and the patient. Tyaktabutra purushasya sukhasinasya roginaha sthirachitto nirogasya sukhasinam prasanna dhivaidyaha. The patient should be sukhasin. But there is a very classical thought being provided by the Granthakaras that it has to be sthirachitto nirogasya. The examiner, the Vaidya should be healthy, and then only it is possible. Sukhasinam, sukhasinam, pariksham martha. In emergency situation, you may not get into this condition. Probably, we can do examination in emergency condition in any way. impact of time on the nadi. I'm just briefing you before I reach to emergency nadi, how the nadi has to be examined. Prakasnigdamayi nadi, madhyannam ushnata bhavet, sayanne dhavamanacha, ratro vegavarjita. Kanak says, in the morning hours, it is always little snigdha. In noon time, it is always ushna. In the evening hours, it is always a running nadi. And in night, it has been slowed down. This is the normal impact. And these are the 5 gatis of the nadi. Tejapunjaha chanchalaha durbala kshina dhira kaihi. The kshin nadi, which is more important for Attek Chikitsa understanding, is like a thread, very thin. And that is indicative of loss of life. If you examine how a pulse happens, कैसे बनती है पल्स, हमारे यहाँ पर हमें कभी ये शंका नहीं आती कि हमारी नाड़ी चलती ही क्यों है। और नाड़ी चलती है तो नाड़ी में जो भापन मिलता है उसको हम मेजर कैसे करेंगे? What are the ways and means? Because pulse pressure is sum total of systolic and diastolic. It's a systolic pressure and there is a diastolic pressure which you can measure. Every day we measure it with BP machines, sphygmomanometer. The difference between the two is called the pulse pressure. And there is an augmentation of the pressure that has been deducted. And though what you get is a pulse, and then below that pulse, when the aortic valve closes, you get another notch. So normal pulse, if you see a single pulsation, it always goes like this. If you can see, there is a notch here, diacrotic notch, and that diacrotic notch make it PTVD. PTVD, it's a tidal wave. It start pulsation, tidal wave, diacrotic notch, and valley. PTVD is a common pulse diagram. We have to understand the pulsations in emergency. We have 3 reference points. Pulse is always understood in 3 reference points. How is the rise or upstroke? What is the summit or the plateau? Whether it is well sustained or it is just a peak, ill sustained. Remember, ill sustained or the peaked pulse is always indicative of some disease condition. Fall and downstroke. How it goes down? Only 3 areas. When you are checking a pulsation, you have to check only the 3 areas. How the pulse is rising, what is the plateau, and how it falls down. If it is falling down suddenly, it is definitely a grave indication. Or either it is gradual, which is normally happens. Variations in the pulse. The first pulse is a normal pulse. Second pulse, you can see the normal pulse has got a slow rise. There is a small plateau. It is going down. There is a dicrotic notch, and then it is coming down. The second pulse is hyperdynamic pulse, where there is a rise, but there is a larger plateau, long sustained plateau, and then it is coming down. And the third one is 3D pulse, where there is fast rise, no plateau, and it is coming down. That's a 3D pulse. These are the pulse variations. Then in those pulse variations, if you find at a normal interval, that's a normal pulse. If it is fast, it is tachycardia. If it is slow, it is bradycardia. And then the last one, if it is not going to be regular, it is arrhythmia. We need to grade them into 5 pointers. 0 is the pulse is absent. 1 plus palpable but thready and weak pulse. It can be easily obliterated. Your fingers can obliterate the pulse. 2 plus is normal, easily identifiable and cannot be easily obliterated. 3 plus, it is increased pulse. There is a moderate pressure required for obliteration. And 4 plus is a bounding pulse. You cannot obliterate it. Even if you take pressures of the 3 fingers, you cannot obliterate the pulsation. And then I just started searching more, and then I found there are doshas of Nadi have been mentioned. First is rapidity, fast, chanchalya, full of dosha, hard pulse, kathinyam, stony, slow. That slow can be of 2 types. Atimandaga is, one is bradycardia and second one is delayed pulse, where there is a plateau which is delayed. Vaktratvam, that is an obliqueness in the pulse. Atisukshmatvam, weakness in the pulse. Swasthanasya vimokshanam. Like there are specific sites which are mentioned for the pulse to be identified. The arteries locations are mentioned. If it is diverting fine from that own place, that is an Nadi dosha. Staimithyam, you find pulsation not easily being pulsating, getting more stiff. Gati kautalyam, that is the arrhythmia, irregularity of the pulse. The same variations all those 8 variations have been mentioned as a figure here. Because this needed to be understood very comfortably, because when you are going to examine a patient in emergency condition, these are the things which you are going to find in the pulse. When the pulsations are visible, very slow, as if it is stopped, hard, crook pulse are indicative of non-curable conditions. Atyuchaka sthira atyanta yacheyam mamsavahini yacha sukshma vakratam yam tam asadhyam vinirdishe. Kvachit manda, kvachit tivra, krutita vahate kvachit. Sometimes they are slow, sometimes they are fast, sometimes they are broken, sometimes they are thready, sometimes they are broad. This is another indication of asadhyagatam. Asadhya is non-treatable condition. When the pulse is visible, tvak urdham drashyate, nadi pravet ati chanchala, when there is a fast pulsation and which has been observed, you can see the pulsation on the skin. That is another sign of incurable disease. Kampate, when there are tremors, pandate tantuvatam, 3D pulse. And when you are touching with the fingers, sometimes it is lost. That is another condition which is an indicative of incurable disease, quickly rising. Now, there are certain conditions which are mentioned in cardiology, which have been classically been mentioned in Ayurveda texts, like quickly rising and quickly falling pulse, atyuchika and coming down, quick pulse, no summits. This is a sign of aortic regurgitation. This is a sign of aortic regurgitation. Plateau pulse, like I have shown you the hypertonic pulse, where there is a larger plateau. That comes in aortic stenosis. The quick rising and quick falling pulse is the sign of aortic regurgitation, while there is larger plateau, it is aortic stenosis. This is another condition, pulsus parvus et tardus. Pulsus parvus et tardus. Parvus is low amplitude pulse, slow, and then late peak. Tardus, it is rising slowly, amplitude is low and delaying it. And we find the similar explanation. Vyakula shithila manda sthitva sthitva prayatiya kramena tyajati sthanam ya nadi syat tu mrityuve. This is a try of typing Devanagari with Google fonts. So, like I wanted to type Syat, it has become Sayat. Vyakula shithila manda sthitva sthitva prayatiya kramena tyajati sthanam ya nadi syat tu mrityuve. The pulsus parvus et tardus, a weak delayed pulse with carotid delayed upstroke, is a physical examination found in aortic wall stenosis. There is a weak and late pulse, and this is that time when it was being written, it was a definitive sign of death. Vyakula sithila manda sthitva sthitva prayatiya kramena tyajati sthanam ya nadi syat tu mrityuve. We'll see one more, pulsus paradoxus. You can find all this information in any cardiac book or any book of bedside medication. This can be found in any book of bedside medication. Pulsus paradoxus. Can you see the figure? Sometimes there is a larger high end pulse, there is slower pulse. Sthitva sthitva gatim yati sa nadi mrityudayini. Sthitva sthitva gatim yati sa nadi mrityudayini. It is happens in chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, COPD, and when there is a cardiac tamponade, you get pulsus paradoxus. You get pulsus paradoxus. Another condition, because of the extra cardiac pathology, you get cardiac tamponade, and then the pulse, what you find is slow going pulse. Sthitva sthitva gatim yati. Slowly, sometimes then slowly going down, once again getting the speed, going and changing the peaks. The variations in the thickness, variations in the height, and variations in the duration. All things are happening together. That's called as pulsus paradoxus. Sthitva sthitva gatim yati sa nadi mrityudayini. Sthitva sthitva chalati. When you are keeping your fingers on the pulse, you find something going up, then slowly going down. Then once again, you are getting that speed back. Next, pulsus alterans. Pulsus alterans in when there is heart failure and increased resistance to LV ejection, like in hypertension, aortic stenosis, coronary atherosclerosis, and dilated cardiomyopathy. The pulse becomes alternatively heightened and lowered. Same thing, you can feel it in the pulse. Vyakula shithila manda sthitva sthitva prayatiya. There are sometimes you get a heightened pulse and alternatively a low rising pulse. This, if it happens alternatively, that is pulsus alterans. All these signs are of definitive cardiac elements which can lead to grave. This is pulsus bigeminus, double quality pulsations. There are double systole. So what you find there? pulses bigeminous. There are, if you can see, the QRS complex is same, but the pulse is altering. The pulse is altering. It is atrial premature beat. क्वचित मंदा, क्वचित तीव्रा, त्रुटिता वहते क्वचित, क्वचित सूक्ष्मा, क्वचित स्थूला, नाड़ी असाध्य गदे गति. Ravana says, sometime slow, sometime fast, sometime broken, sometime thready, sometime broad. If you get the pulsations like this, it is a sign of delayed LV function. Next, diacrotic pulse. Please watch this pulse. It is a very peculiar thing. It comes with low cardiac output and low systemic vascular resistance. It produces a diacrotic pulse. Can you see this? It can be seen in grave conditions of typhoid. मृत्यु डमरुकस्यैव भवेत् एक दिनेन च. If you can find this pulsation like a डमरू, आपने अगर डमरू को बजाते हुए देखा होगा, वो अल्टरनेटिवली बजता है, और एक ही पल्स में आपको अगर 2 बार पल्सेशन मिले तो दैट इज नोन एज डायक्रोटिक पल्स. साइन ऑफ डेथ विद इन 1 डे. साइन ऑफ डेथ विद इन 1 डे. You get 2 palpable pulses: severe heart failure, hypovolumic shock, cardiac tamponade, sepsis. You get 2 classical pulsations in the same pulse. That is diacrotic pulse. This is a biphasic pulse. In the diacrotic pulse, you get 2 extensively different pulsations, but here the single pulsation is broken into 2. The single pulsation is broken into 2, and that happens in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. It happens in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, which can cause subaortic stenosis. स्पृष्टा निर्वर्तन्ते किंचित क्षणम सूक्ष्मम ततः पुनः पूर्ववत स्पंदमाने. अगर आपने इसको देखा तो आपको ध्यान में आएगा कि वो कहते हैं कि नाड़ी को जैसे ही हम स्पर्श करेंगे आपको क्षण के लिए नाड़ी मिलेगी, उसके बाद उसमें सूक्ष्मता आएगी और क्षण में पुनः पूर्व जैसा स्पर्शता आपको स्पंदन उस नाड़ी में मिलेगा. ये नाड़ी फिर से एक बार असाध्यता दिखाने वाली है. इसी संज्ञा को मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस में कहते हैं पल्सस बेस्फेरियंस. फर्स्ट ईयर के बच्चों के लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल लगता होगा, तो जो भी पीजी स्टूडेंट्स होंगे, प्रैक्टिशनर्स होंगे या टीचर्स होंगे, उनके लिए एक्सपीरियंस हमेशा रहेगा कि आप नाड़ी देखते हैं. जब हम पेशेंट देखते हैं तो हम पेशेंट के नाड़ी पे उंगली रखते हैं तो हमें एक जैसी नाड़ी कभी नहीं मिलती, अलग अलग नाड़ी मिलती है, और उस नाड़ी को हमको समझना जरूर पड़ेगा. देयर इज अ डबल स्पीक इन दैट सिस्टम. इट इज पल्सस बाइस्पेरियंस. मैंने ये डायक्रोटिक पल्स या पल्सस बाइस्पेरियंस आपको 2 बार दिखाई है. जानबूझ के इसके 2 अलग फिगर दिखाए क्योंकि दोनों एक जैसा दिखने वाले हैं, पर दोनों में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. दिस इज रिवर्स्ड पल्स पैराडॉक्सस. जो हमें पल्सस पैराडॉक्सस में मिलता है, एक बड़ी एक छोटी, ये अगर रिवर्स हो गई तो ये है रिवर्स पल्स पैराडॉक्सस. हाइपोकाइनेटिक पल्स, जब पल्स वॉल्यूम कम हो जाता है, that you get is an hypokinetic pulse. Stroke volume is slow. Atikshinacha shitacha jivatam hanti asanshayam. When the pulse is weak, very weak, it is definitive sign of loss of life. The other way, hyperkinetic pulse, the bonding pulse, that is known as pulse magnus, tiryag ushnachaya nadi sarpavat vegavat taraha. If he has got something in his throat, then his life is difficult. When there is हम कहते हैं कि कभी कभी सांस कंठ से निकलती है प्राण, उस वक्त कंठ भरा हुआ सा मिलता है. अगर ऐसी नाड़ी मिले हाइपरकाइनेटिक बाउंडिंग पल्स और अगर उसका कंठ भरा हुआ मिलता है तो ये एक निश्चित लक्षण है मृत्यु का. This is another classical example of death defining pulse. There is a very rapid upstroke and equally rapid downstroke. Very rapid upstroke and equally rapid downstroke. Because there is a less lack of peripheral resistance. And that peripheral resistance, when it is lost, you get a rapid upstroke and rapid downstroke. It is in aortic regurgitation, AV fistula, विद्युत नमता नाड़ी, like an बिजली के जैसे नाड़ी ऊपर गई और उसी के जैसे नीचे आके अकाल विद्युत पाता. जैसे नाड़ी ऊपर जाती है, there is a rapid upstroke and at the same time rapid downstroke. It is another Jiva sagachet yama shasanam. He dies. I tried to give you a graphical example between a rapid pulse and a normal pulse. A collapsing pulse, rapid upstroke, rapid downstroke, and otherwise on the other hand, there is a gradual upstroke, plateau, and then downstroke with dichrotic notch. One more thing we need to calculate is how the pulse wave is moving in your body. How the pulse wave is moving in your body. Sometimes you find pulsation in one part, sometimes you find pulsation in the upper extremity, but you don't find pulsation in the lower extremity. So you need to understand from how the pulsation goes down, and that has been measured, and that is known as pulse wave velocity. If you are finding it nityam skande spurati api angulim swaspurchetana, you get in the carotid but you don't get it into radial artery. That is a risk factor of adverse clinical outcome. There can be blockage in between, there can be severe atherosclerosis in the subclavian arteries. This is a sign when you are finding the pulsation in your carotid and not finding the pulsation in your radial artery, or you are finding the pulsations in the carotid but not finding the pulsations into dorsal or in your inguinal or the popliteal artery, is a sign of grave prognosis. Arterial fibrillation. An arterial fibrillation ECG shows like this, 180 pulsation. But at the same time, if you find the pulse is not that flutter what has been seen in ECG. The pulse is not the flutter as seen in the ECG, but what you can see is an irregular pulsation. Not as rapid as seen in ECG, but definitely rapid, but irregular pulsation. That is atrial fibrillation. It's another grave condition. If you don't treat it properly and immediately, you may die. Unequal pulses. There can be, on the two hands, the pulsations may not be equal. It can happen because abnormal course of radial artery, coarctation of aorta, aortitis, aneurysms, peripheral embolisms. If it is the upper and lower, the same thing happens. Trauma is one of the cause, and atherosclerotic obstructions in between. Drishyate charane nadi karai chaiva na dushyate. You find the pulse in the dorsal or lower extremities, but you are not finding it in the radial artery. And if his mouth is open, his life is always in danger. Jerky pulse. The similar, like collapsing pulse, but there is no rapid downstroke. It is always rapid upstroke. It is always invariably rapid outstroke. Yata sukshmam vaktaratatam. And that is finding hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathies in mitral regurgitation, and in aortic regurgitation. If it is complicated with heart failure, you get thin pulse, high rapid upstroke, and getting down slowly. These are specific symptoms of Arishta Nadi. If Arishta is Niyatam Maranam Khyapakam Lingam Arishta, if it is heat outside and still you find Shaitya in the Nadi, the body is hot but pulse is cold, or the body is cold and pulse is hot, it is a definitive sign of death. Rest we have already discussed. Now I have tried to understand if there are grave symptoms as per the disease which can be identified. Maranam Jivanam Kamam Kantharogam Shirarujam Shravananjalanjanam Roganam Nasa Nadi Prakashayet. If you are able to find Nasa Nadi, the pulsations at the base of nose, it is a sign of death. If you find pulsations in the gut, the carotid pulsations, this can be seen in Agantukam Jwaram, Trishna, Ayas, Maithunam, Klamam, Bhayas, Shokam, Kopam, कंठ नाड़ी में देखना चाहिए. These are the disease-specific bad prognostic nadis. Like in Ajirna, you get Sheena, trady pulse, Kutila, deep-seated. If it happens, it is a death sign for Ajirna Roga. In Atisara, it will be Sthira, slow down pulse. It is a sign of death. In Apasmara patients, if it is Sheena Nadi and delayed pulse, it is a sign of, invariably, if you find all those lakshanas, you are going to find two common features: Sheena, Manda, Sheena, Sukshma, Sheena, Shitala. All these, Chapala, Sheena. That is the sign which we have indicated in the cases where there is an emergency. You get trady pulse, and that trady pulse is ultimately a sign of death. In Kamala, if it is getting Manda, Sheena Nadi, in Meheroga, Sheena Vigraha, Chadi Roge, Chanchala, Sheena Sutra Sama, Dahe, Sheena Chapala Kutila, Pandu Roge, Sheena Sutra Sama, Vidrado, Mandagamana Nadi, Sukshma, Nana Gatimatam Nadi, Hikka Roge, Ati Chapala Sheena, Sutravataha. This is all signs. Shwasa Roge, Ati Chapala Sheena, Yakshma Roge, Sheena Chapala Sutravat, Sutravat Sheena Chapala. These are the classical signs in any disease condition where a death is proclaimed. Let us talk about corona. Must be eager to know. I was not aware that time when I wrote these slides in my presentation, what Pawar sir is going to speak. Do we have any detection technique for virus or bacteria induced through pulse? Answer is no. Rather, no branch of medicine have any bedside technique to identify the organism. We have to rest ourselves on the signs and symptomatology. But if it is a corona, if you check the signs and symptoms of corona, those are the signs of acute respiratory distress with fever. The way I teach Nadi, this Nadi will be of specific conditioning. I teach Nadi in 5 levels. In the immediate level, it is pricking pulse, that is indicative of disease. Regular pulse, where no cardiac involvement is seen. Full pulse is an acute pulse. Warm is with ama, and it is in the full body. Superficial pulse is in all the full body, and pitta is on the increase. Deep pulse, which indicates the prakriti, will be dependent on subdosha. It could be udana, bhrajaka, and aulambak kapha, and dhatu will be rasa dhatu. This is what my understanding of corona was, sir, and probably it matches what thought process you have given us in the earlier lecture. So, are you interested to know more about the pulse diagnosis I teach? Friends, I hope you are not sleeping. So there is an opportunity for you. Join me tomorrow morning at 7:30, same place. Place probably will be designated by the organizers, but timing is fixed, 7:30 tomorrow morning. I'll be discussing with you the process of pulse diagnosis which I teach for last 27 years. I have my 2 books published and a CD. One is this, the pulse diagnosis in computer age. And the second one is the CD, Nadi Prashikshak, Master Trainer in Pulse Diagnosis. And there is a workbook which is required. So these books are available with my colleague Dr. Mutha, Kamlesh Mutha. Those who want can contact him directly. It is available at 50% discount to all the delegates of this particular. Thank you, BT sir, for providing me this opportunity. Thank you, the management of VK Patil Group, teaching, non-teaching staff, and a big thank you to all you. Despite of COVID-19 threat, you all are here without a mask. And I am really happy to see all the organizers have kept sanitizers at handy. They have examined everybody and made all these efforts to make this conference a safe and enjoying thing. Thank you once again. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for such an informative speech on pulse diagnosis in emergency conditions.